Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Hildan Maulana, grade 12 Scene 6, number 40. In this video, I will show my practice English exam about how to make chow ice. Before that, I will give you a little information. Black grass jelly is textured food material such as gel or gelatin, which is black is commonly used as a dessert ingredient. The shape and texture of this black grass jelly is solid, chewy in the form of black blocks and tastes fresh. This food ingredient is often found both in traditional markets and after washing with boiled water and cut into small pieces. Black grass jelly is generally ate with sugar syrup and ate with ice cubes as cincau ice, or more commonly known as ice chow in East Java.